Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. For today's video, I'll show you how to remove suggested accounts on your search bar on Instagram. Well, the first thing that you need to do is to open your Instagram application and then go to your search icon and then click it. Then after that, just search a particular account you want to search. As you can see, there are suggested accounts. But if you want to remove it, just go to their profile and then block them. And then restore or refresh Instagram. And then if you search the account, you can see them anymore. But you can unblock them for you to be able to see their profile again, but they are not the suggested accounts anymore. So that is how to remove suggested account on Instagram. Please do leave a comment, like, and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you and be safe.